Hello beautiful people. It's been a while because I got some issues, I got some stuff, so that's why I've been off. But now I'm fully back. I'm back. So now today what you're going to do, we are going to do the salad. So I'm going to be showing you the way you can make the very delicious salad. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like and comment. Don't forget to share and don't forget to click on notification bell, so whenever I upload the new video, so you'll be the first one to watch it. So let's get started. So I'm going to start from the market. Of course, this is the market, Kimirongo market, so it's where I went to shop, because that market, I don't know if there is any other market which has fresh fruit, fresh stuff like that. Kimirongo, so it's where I'm going now. So as you can see, this is in the market. I'm going to buy these things. I'm going to buy different stuff. So I'm going to buy the cucumber, I'm going to buy onions, white, red onions, tomatoes, I'm going to buy the carrots, I'm going to be buying different stuff for me to make my salad. So I'm going to be putting what's there when I'm mixing that salad. So but first of all, in my salad, the one I'm going to make today, we are going to need cabbage, we need carrots, we need green pepper, we need tomatoes, we need what else? Onions, red and white. Then we need the Maggi cubes, that cube Maggi, the one for chicken flavor is the one you're going to need. Then we are going to need the mayonnaise. Then we are going also to need the lemon. So once you have all those ingredients, you're going to have a very nice and healthy and sweet, hey, mind-blowing salad. So once you have those stuff, your salad is going to be nice. So now let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be putting what's there, so I can't talk in all this. So you are going to be using step by step from market, home, so let's get started. guys, up to this stage, I hope you can understand the way I'm doing this recipe. Yes, for this salad, I'm trying to put words there so that you can see what I'm adding. If I'm adding tomatoes, if I'm adding mayonnaise, if I'm adding cube maggies. So I hope you can see what I'm adding there. So guys, please, if you enjoy, please hit the like. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you have subscribed, because you have many things to come, more good things to come. So let's finish. So after here you mix them. So this is the final touch. This is the way it is going to be looking like, but trust me, it's very sweet. Yeah. So guys, this is our salad. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you've learned more things about this. I hope you can also try it at home. Please guys, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.